Adele here, and welcome to day 26 of the 30-day business challenge. Today, we are going to go over analytics, okay? And we're going to go over what is analytics. I know that I briefly went over it in a previous video, but I'm going to go into more details. In this one, we're going to focus on TikTok, but you can, it's pretty universal across most platforms of what it is, what it does, and how you can use it to benefit you. So, first and foremost, um, analytics, it refers to the process of collecting, measuring, and analyzing and interpreting data related to the performance and behavior of the business's digital properties. This can go into like websites, mobile apps, social media platforms. Okay. This is valuable to you because not only does it help with determining and tracking your website traffic. So it lets you know the amount of visitors to the website, where they came from, which page they frequented on your actual website. So, for instance, if you had a sale on an item and everyone was clicking on that particular page and how long they stayed on that page, okay? It helps you understand the effectiveness of your marketing efforts and your popularity of different content, conversion rates. So this can help measure the percentage of visitors who take desired actions, right? Like adding to carts or signing up for your newsletter or filling out the contact form or making purchases, okay? Um, Also, it can help with customer behavior. This helps you to see, okay, whether they browse more on mobile than they do um, on a web browser, like on a laptop, and their buying habits. Okay. Also, marketing performance. It also helps to track the effectiveness of campaigns that you put out, like ad campaigns. Um, this is paid or free. Also, email marketing, your social media marketing efforts as well, and SEO, which is search engine optimization. So you can actually measure your metrics, such as like click through rates, conversion rates, and your return on investment. So, for instance, if you put an ad out and you had a whole bunch of people buy that particular product, then you can actually measure that rate of return and if it was worth you putting an ad or paying for that ad. Okay. Uh, it also can go into user experience, which it can reveal valuable insights, uh, whether the app loaded correctly or the page loaded correctly, or if it's loading too slow. That's a little deeper in the back end, but 9 out of 10, you won't really have to worry about that unless you do your own website and you're not too big on like using Shopify or any of the easier models of websites. Okay. And then of course ROI, which we briefly talked about, which it helps you to track sales, revenue metrics, evaluate your financial performance as a business, and determine which way or route that you need to go in regards to your marketing efforts in the future, or just to pivot if things are not working. Okay. It helps with business growth, your overall growth. Okay. These things are big and they help you make data driven decisions to help you achieve goals, optimize your performance. Okay. So that's a brief oversight into what analytics is. Okay. Sometimes people kind of breeze past this part and then people are looking crazy because they're like, what is analytics and why is it important? It's very important. So we're going to go over analytics. If you're in TikTok, you literally will hover over your profile picture. I think on your mobile app, it's usually in a similar area, or the three lines. You can press that. It should be in your business suite. Okay, I'm just going to go back through the process again. so you can see. All right. And then your analytics will have an overview. Then it'll have your audience. And this goes over the performances of your video. So I'm going to make this bigger on my end. So in the last 7 days, I had 7 new profile visits, 6 new likes. In the videos, I had 446 views, okay, for my new videos. You can look into the last 30 days. I had 5 new followers, 61 new likes, okay, new video views, 3,000. In the last 90 days, okay, 61 new likes, 22 profile visits, and 5 new followers. Okay, so that is just in the overview part of it. Hold on, not the overview, it's just the main analytics, the basic part. Now the overview part, it goes into more detail. So my videos reached 378 new people. It once again goes into the profile views, which day had the most views or which video did the best, right? If you scroll down, it goes into engagement. So I had 6 new likes, 0 shares, 0 comments. So they're coming to my page, but they're not truly commenting. And this is phone number clicks and lead submissions. So I don't participate in this. So this is not what I need to worry about. And at the moment when you're beginning, unless you have put this function here, then you don't need to worry about it either. So we're going to go into audience. Okay. Right here, it doesn't quite show gender. I don't know why it's not showing the gender. There we go. I want to do this. The last 7 days, it's not that much data, and that's why nothing is showing up. But for the last 28 days, if I scroll down, what is the most important part that you need, especially when you're doing ads and you're targeting specific people? This tells me that 78, we're going to round up, percent of my the people who view my content are female, 22% are male. Okay. And then it goes into the age range. So half of my the people who look at my videos are between the ages of 35 to 44. Okay, which is actually pretty on target with my audience that I'm trying to reach. Okay, the second biggest age range is going to be anywhere from 18 to 24, and then 45 to 54. All right. So then if you go into the countries, United States, it's about 67% are from the US, 22% from Nigeria, 11% from Australia. Okay. And then it breaks it down by the top cities that view your content. Okay. And then if you click video, within the last 7 days and the last 2 posts, I had 34 views, 3 comments, 3 likes. Okay. The last 28 days, it tells you your performance overall with your videos. You can, I'm not sure why it's going all the way down. Sorry about that. Go back up. But yeah, you can also do a custom view. For instance, if you wanted to do it maybe for a year, I'm not sure how far back it goes, but we're not even going to try that out. But you can customize the date range if you want to know all that. And if you want to download this data, you can. All right. So what does analytics mean for you when we are running ads? And actually, before we get into the ad aspect of it, let's go back. When you are first starting out and you're putting out videos and you're putting out social media content and you don't have an audience right away, this actually helps you find out who your audience is. Yes, you're supposed to already have that written out and who you're trying to target and what age range you're trying to target. But with this data now, after you put out a few videos, you can start to see who your actual true audience is. Okay. And when you have that, if you're not reaching your proper target audience, then you can tweak your content in order to tailor it towards those people, and see what you were doing wrong. If the ad that you're putting out is not, sorry about that. If the ad you're putting out is not reaching them, then you can stop your ad or pause your ad or review, the things within that ad so you can change the data. Okay. So yeah, I'm going to make this video short because at some point within the next couple of days, we are going to go into ads for different platforms. So I will dive a little deeper into this, and I'm going to show you different examples of certain ads and how to create an ad. Okay. And we kind of briefly went over how to create an ad in the beginning. That's what I was telling you guys, to make sure that you put together a 1-minute advertisement, right? This is all going to go hand in hand with that. But first, you need to know what your analytics are, who your target audience is, so that you can sell to those targeted audience. I'm sorry. And of course, if you don't have a targeted audience, you still can do this. But this has been day 26. I hope this was helpful. I hope you learned something. If you have any questions or if there's anything specific that you would like me to go over, please feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this in the future, and have a wonderful day. Bye.